Hi, Sharon. Thanks. Just a quick update on today. So we downloaded your site. It's a big site, so it took a little bit. So now I'm just getting back to you. We've got the information on the scripts and the footer and the header. Um, we've got the billing profile updated that's been built, so you're switched over to annual. And what we did is we took uh, the month you've already paid, we build out the annual minus that amount. So that way you get your full year plus the extra months in there. I think we have 2 extra free months in there as well for the annual billing. So that way, you like 14 months sort of thing, that's when it comes up. But the other thing I was going to mention, yeah, guest book, we'll need to add a page and we'll need to add a button. Now, normally I just go, hey, we'll just put a button in your top bar and away you go. But I was wondering if there was a particular place you wanted to add it, only because we're getting a little bit tight on space. Now, with that said, I can put another button up here and have it fit. And what I'm going to suggest is that we just tighten up the distance or the space between the existing buttons just a little bit, maybe by 10 pixels each. That way, when I add a new button, it would have a little bit more room over here. And these buttons here, they'll be a little bit closer together, but that'll give us more room to add the guest book without making things look squished. I was just more concerned because I sort of measured it out in Photoshop that when I add a guest book here, it's actually going to bang right into the contact us button there. So I would just respace these a little bit for you and then add the button up top. So I just want to make sure that was okay. Or if you had another plan, maybe you wanted to put it under, because I know you have some drop downs here, but nothing sort of looked like it would be obvious that there's a guest book in here, unless we put a sub menu under About Helena here, and then we could put a guest book in there. But we could also add it up top, which kind of, to me, off the first glance, made a little bit more sense. But anyways, I just wanted to give you that information, and I'll pop that in there, unless you have a specific order or place you want it to go.